Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be very different from any video I've ever done because I'm not going to be in it because I am a hot mess right now. I am cleaning, I'm running errands, and you don't want to see it. I got all my fall stuff out and I realized that I don't have as much stuff as I thought I did. So I hit up Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby and I thought I would show you guys what we got. And the first thing I picked up was this little gather sign. I know you guys have probably seen these before. They're super duper cute. They also have a thankful one that's like the black and white checkered, and I almost got that one, but I didn't think it would go really with my decor, so I just picked up this one and I think it's cute. And the next thing I got were these little pumpkins. They're actually salt and pepper shakers. I don't know if you can see the little holes right in there. Oh yeah, right there. But they're little pumpkin salt and pepper shakers, and I thought these would be cute on my 3-tier tray. They had some acorn ones and I think also some owl ones, and I just thought these were really cute. So the next thing I got were these 3 little spice pumpkin candles, and they've got the little leaves on them. I thought these were really neat. And I plan on putting these in my centerpiece on my dining room table. Right now I've got lavender in there, so I thought I would just replace those and put these in there and bring a little fall into the dining room, because as of right now I have nothing in there. And the next thing I picked up were these little mums. I thought these were such pretty colors. Tater tot, no. So I got this like reddish orange color, and then I also picked up this lighter color, and I thought these were really pretty. What do you think? What do you think? He's helping me today. And then the next thing I got were these little leaf garlands. I just loved these colors. Look at that. It's like purple and pink. Those were so pretty. So I figured, like, they're kind of, you know, thin by themselves, but I figured if I doubled them up and put them together, I think that they would look really cute. So tater tot, I'm probably gonna put these on my dining room buffet. Next thing I got were these cute little little scarecrows. This one's like a regular scarecrow, and then this one looks like a little pumpkin, and they're just on a little stand. I thought these were adorable. My mom, tater tot, my mom actually needed those, so I didn't know if she needed this size or if she wanted the taller ones. So if she does not end up wanting these, I am going to put them somewhere in my house because I thought they were super cute. On to Hobby Lobby. So the reason I went there was because I wanted a table runner for my dining room, and I did find that. So this is the one that I picked up. I think this one is so cute. It was $15.99 and then 40% off of that. So it's just has this on both sides, and then it's just plain like throughout the middle. But I thought this would look really cute on my dining room table. Next thing I picked up was this little fall, it's like basically for a candle. So I have a random little pillar candle that I'm gonna set in the center of here. $11.99, I mean, that's kind of a lot. I mean, it was 40% off, but still, oh my goodness, you cannot beat Dollar Tree. If I would have been able to find something like this at Dollar Tree, I would have been, see, and it broke. I would have been much happier, but that's okay. Oh my goodness. I have to get out the hot glue gun. So yeah, I thought that was really neat. And I also picked up this Purely Pumpkin Luxurious Simmering Potpourri, and it smells amazing. I put it in one of my little itty bitty crock pots right now, and I have it just on in the kitchen, and it smells so good. And this was $5.99, and then with the 40% off, so that's not horrible, but yeah. And then the last thing, you guys, I'm already kind of regretting this because it was kind of expensive, but it's so stinking cute. It's a little pumpkin, and it's like a weird material. It looks like it would be soft, like flowers. It's actually very hard. It doesn't smell. For some reason, it looks like it should smell like potpourri. But this was $17.99, and then, you know, the 40% off. And, oh, it's kind of a lot of money. But it's really cute. It seems like really good quality, and I think it should last me for years and years. And I did like how it's got the glitter on it. So yeah, this was kind of my splurge of the day. I feel like that's probably one of the most expensive fall decorations I have. But I thought it was super duper cute. So Hobby Lobby has got the cutest stuff right now, and I just couldn't resist. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul. Stay tuned for my video on Monday, which will be my clean and decorate with me. I'll show you guys how I put all my decorations up. And I hope you all have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon. Bye.